In today's video, I am going to teach you how to read single send emails on Sendgrid. To follow along, you will need to be logged into your Sendgrid account through Twilio Sendgrid. Single send results are useful when you want to look at exactly what was sent to a recipient without having to review an entire campaign or batch. When you can view the single send preview, you can check the content as it appeared at the time of sending, including the subject, body formatting, and any dynamic content that was merged in. First, sign in to Twilio Sendgrid. Take a moment to make sure you are using the correct account, since the emails you can view will depend on which workspace you are in. After you are signed in, you should land on the main dashboard. If you do not see the navigation menu right away, look for a sidebar or top menu where the different product areas are listed. This is where you will start moving toward the single sends area. Next, click Marketing. This step matters because single sends is typically grouped under the marketing tools and email activity views. When you click Marketing, you should notice the menu expand or additional options appear. Spend a second to confirm you are in the right section before continuing, since other areas of Sendgrid may contain different reporting tools. You want to be looking at the part of the interface that handles individual sends and message previews. After that, click Single Sends. This will take you to the view where Sendgrid lists individual emails that have been sent through your account. From here, you will be able to open a specific message rather than viewing a general summary. This is the key difference between reading a single send and viewing broader campaign analytics. So when you click Single Sends, look for a list or table of email entries. Depending on your settings, you might be able to filter by recipient, subject, date, or status. Now, open the email you want to view. In the list of single sends, choose the specific entry that matches what you are trying to inspect. You might recognize it by the subject line, the time it was sent, or other details shown in the row. Click the item to open it. This step is important because you want to review the exact email that was sent, not a different message that may be similar. Once you open the email entry, the interface should show details about that message. Then, click Preview. The preview area is where Sendgrid shows the formatted email content that was generated for that send. This step is the bridge between metadata and the actual message you care about. After you click Preview, you should see the email rendered in a readable format. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to view text or HTML versions, or you may see the content exactly as it would appear in an email client. Give it a moment to load, especially if the message is large or includes complex formatting. Finally, review the email content. Take your time here and check the details that matter for your review process. Look for the subject line and make sure it is correct. Review the body content to ensure the wording is accurate and that spacing, links, and images, if present, appear as expected. If the email uses personalization or dynamic fields, confirm that those values look right for the recipient. Also check that any calls to action and key information are presented clearly, since the preview reflects what Sendgrid produced for that specific send. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.